Et yo les gars, on se retrouve pour la suite de ce clash. On va continuer. C'est par quel côté là? C'est de ce côté, hein? Non, celui-là. Alors, on s'était arrêté. On s'était arrêté là. Après avoir perdu contre Susanoo.
Jinmu felt completely lost. The history of his clan, the atrocities committed by Amaterasu, Susanoo's just cause. Where was the truth in all of
Le jeu est
this?
relativement court, hein. On doit être déjà peut-être pas au quart du jeu, mais pas loin, je crois.
What was the real reason for this conflict? He remembered very well the story his grandmother had told him. In ancient times, Amaterasu had received the blessing of the mischievous goddess Kitsune in exchange for his blind devotion and unwavering submission. He then began to massacre all those who did not join her cult. That was the origin of this.
Je me rappelle plus d'ici. C'est pas la neige normalement?
That's what Jinmu had been convinced of until yesterday. Now he wasn't sure of anything anymore.
Ouais, c'est la neige là, on est d'accord.
Lifeless bodies, pain and cruelty really have a meaning. Deep in Jinmu's soul, a conviction was beginning to emerge.
Ouais, c'est ça, c'est ça.
This war was futile and it could be stopped. And while he was lost in his thoughts, Jinmu continued to advance toward the mountains. The grass became snow as the fresh air of the valley gradually gave way to the icy cold.
Oh, c'est un marathon le bordel.
Without realizing it, Jinmu had arrived to the mountains. Legend had it that it was beyond these summits that the abode of the gods was located, and that before inhabiting the valleys, the first
Ouais, les premiers samouraïs.
in this same snow. But today, it would have been surprising for anyone to inhabit such an inhospitable.
I can't go any further.
Faut continuer à avancer ou quoi? Non. Allez. Ah, fin de chargement.
I must have passed out.
Allez, on continue.
Young Raven, the wind that blows in this place is too fierce for your wings.
Who are you? A god? A ghost? Please, help me.
Ah. Alors. À droite ou à gauche? Ah, ok. Bah eux ils sont faciles hein. Ouais. Ah, ça c'est qu'il y en a un autre à gauche. Ouais. Plus personne? Ah, bon. Ah ouais d'accord, il va y avoir du monde là. À gauche. Oh, attends, j'ai pas pu avancer, pourquoi? Ah oui, perdu, bah oui, forcément, mais j'ai pas compris là. Pourquoi le perso il a pas avancé? En plus, je comptais pas dash à la base. Ouais. Pourtant, c'est facile, hein. Et voilà. Et là, on continue. Voilà. Merde. Non, je crois que c'était le perso qui fatigue en fait. Hein. Pas sûr, mais... Encore? Non.
A temple? Here? How can anyone survive in these forbidden mountains? No matter.
Oh, la transition. Ah oui, stylé.
No one would have the strength to survive the storm of Orochi without my protection. Young samurai, who are you? And what are you doing here?
My name is Jinmu. I wander aimlessly. I was banished from my village.
A Ronin?
Because I disobeyed my chief's orders. Grandmother Susano preferred to send me away rather than tell me the truth.
Susano. So you are the grandson of Susano. In any case, you must leave. A boy of your kind would not last long in these mountains.
You don't look very young. I doubt you're more resilient than I.
Insolent! I am Izanagi, the first samurai.
Ça me rappelle Naruto, tout ça, entre Amaterasu, Susanoo, Izanagi. Bon, après, c'est les légendes japonaises. Hein.
I still have some resources left in me, and I will show you.
Allez, est-ce qu'on peut charger? Ah, on peut charger le coup, ça y est. Pourquoi je suis Keblo. Oh là, je suis dans la merde, là. Ouf. Oh là 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 là. Oh, le salaud. Oh là 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 là. C'est quoi ce combat? C'est quoi ce combat de fou? Arrête, gros. Oh là là. What? Oh là 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 là. Oh, c'est un truc de fou. Aïe aïe aïe, il m'a cramé tout mon endu. On a gagné une fois, hein. Faut gagner 4 fois encore. Ah bordel, il est fort. Hein. Ah bordel. On sait jamais. Allez. Oh, sérieux? Putain, il est... Ah merde, j'ai plus rien. Aïe aïe aïe. Ah bordel. Il est chaud. Je sais pas s'il faut gagner ou pas. Hein. Putain de merde. Oh, mais à chaque fois... Allez. Allez. On peut y arriver. Parce que nous, on a qu'une vie. Hein. On en a pas 5 comme lui. Oh, putain de merde, fais chier. Ouais, prévisible. Ah non! J'aurais pas dû faire le pari maintenant.
With the exchange of blows,
Ah ouais.
Jinmu's pendant came out of his clothes, which did not escape the old master's notice.
C'est des samouraïs à côté ou c'est des statues?
What are you doing with the enchanted pearl of Amaterasu around your neck?
What? But it's my mother's necklace. What else has Susano been hiding from me?
That's a beautiful irony of fate. Who would have thought such a miracle could happen one day? This changes a lot of things. Your story is, in a way, my story as well. Sit down, Jinmu. I have many things to tell you.
On n'a pas encore le coup chargé hein, pour l'instant. Ah bon, c'était obligé qu'on perde, mais je sais pas ce que ça aurait fait si on avait gagné.
I was the first human to meet the gods who came from their garden across the bridge of destiny. They taught me the art of the blade to protect mankind, and in turn, I passed on this knowledge to my peers so that they could continue this sacred mission. We took the name of Samurai. Under our watch, peace reigned, and the world was in harmony. You know them as mortal enemies, but at the time, Amaterasu, Susano were my two best disciples. There was a healthy rivalry between them. They were close as only a brother and a sister can be. Time Time passed, and each started their own family. Susano adopted an abandoned child and raised him as her son. That was your father Oku. As for Amaterasu, I agreed to give him the hand of my heiress, with whom he then had a single daughter, Kushina. Life could have kept flowing quietly like this, but one day, my daughter fell gravely ill. Amaterasu prayed to the gods to save his wife, but in vain. He then turned to me, begging me to let him enter the Garden of the Gods, to heal her with the divine water. But my loyalty to the gods came first, even before my daughter, and I refused his request. Amaterasu never forgave me. Thus his pain turned into hatred. This was when Kitsune, the fox goddess, chose to pour her venom into the ear of this suffering man. She promised him the survival of his beloved and the power to protect her. In return, Amaterasu had to commit to devoting himself exclusively to Kitsune and renouncing the other gods. Blinded by his pain and by the rage of feeling abandoned, my former disciple agreed to this pact. True to his word, he established the exclusive cult of Kitsune, and, ready to do anything to save his wife, he ruthlessly killed those who refused to follow his madness, and he even ended up seriously injuring me. Susano might have been able to reason with Amaterasu, but without warning anyone, she had already gone to fetch the sacred water for him. When she returned, she found the village in flames and bloodshed. Devastated by this bout of madness from the man she had always considered her brother, she swore not to let these crimes go unpunished. And in her quest for justice, she returned to the garden to implore the help of the gods. It was Tengu, the Raven God, who answered her call. Under his wing, and with the help of the survivors, she built the Aki clan. And that is when this merciless war began against those whom Amaterasu had rallied under his banner, the Natsu clan. As for me, I am now the guardian of the bridge that leads to the Garden of the Gods, so that the influence of the divine never causes such ordeals again.
Kushina.
Petit lore.
That's my mother's name. So that means Amaterasu's daughter is my mother.
Jinmu, you are a descendant of the Aki and Natsu clans.
But then, Amaterasu is my grandfather? And you're my... distant ancestor?
Great-grandfather. It is this family connection that has brought you here safely.
Commence à devenir compliqué là, l'histoire de famille.
Your magic necklace is a token of affection given by Amaterasu to his daughter, through which he passed on his protection to you in turn, a love that protected you from Orochi's blizzard.
So Amaterasu doesn't know that my mother is dead, and thinks she's kidnapped?
Yes. Susano kept everything from him to protect your parents, and you, the product of their forbidden love.
Even after all this time, she continues to hide the truth from him.
Maybe Tengu deliberately obfuscated her mind to perpetuate her feud with his rival.
Hatred, wars, it's all the gods' fault. Now that I know everything, I must be able to dissipate their confusion. I have the blood of both sides in me. I might be able to appease them.
Arrogant. You cannot stop the course of history alone, and certainly not against the will of the gods.
But you were their master. What if...
Do not count on my help. I can no longer leave these mountains. If you plan to go back, I will not stop you.
Ah. So I have to challenge the gods in order to stop this absurd war. But a human triumphing over the gods is unthinkable. Despite knowing the truth, I still feel like I'm at a dead end.
It is my duty to watch over my descendants. You can stay with me if you want. I will not intervene between my two disciples, but I can at least offer you a place here.
Thank you, Izanagi.
Eh ben dis donc, ça en fait des cinématiques. Hein.
Disturbed by these revelations, stayed a while with the Fuyu clan, using his time to train and think.
Après c'est pas une critique, hein. C'est toujours bien, du coup c'est l'histoire du jeu. Là ils vont peut-être nous apprendre le coup chargé, non? Qu'est-ce qu'il veut lui en fait? C'est un lambda lui. Il veut quoi? Arrête de reculer. Non? Arrête de reculer. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Défends-toi! Ah, bien, bien, bien. Bah non, bah c'est grossier quand même. Bien joué. Je reculais et contre-attaquer. Voilà. Il était facile lui.
Ah, you've beaten me again. You're probably the strongest
Encore
samurai
battu,
I
c'est
ever
qui?
faced, aside from Izanagi.
It's still not enough. I don't stand any chance against Susanoo and the god protecting her.
Only a fool would provoke Susanoo. She asked for the power of a god and received it, without even needing to make a pact.
Without a pact? How could she possibly seek the help of a god without consequences?
Those were different times. We once had a better relationship with the deities. There was a balance. If a god liked you, they would sometimes offer their help without asking for anything in return. And we didn't need to guard this bridge like we do today.
So it is possible for gods to offer help without a pact.
Yes, but that was before Kitsune and then Tengu broke this peace. Everything changed, unfortunately, and we can never hope to stop those two again. The other gods were furious when the situation got out of hand.
Gros, on va un petit peu jouer quand même.
Snow of Orochi calmed their wrath.
Stop. Voilà.
Maybe I have an idea. A way to defeat them. It's worth a try.
Ça y est? Ah non. Ça y est. Allez.
Parce
bon, faut un peu de gameplay quand même. Cette transition, du coup, là, j'aime bien. Là, comme ça.
Blinded by their hatred, would listen to none but their idols. But Jinmu would force them to return to reason. And if he had to fight them for it, then so it would be. Fortunately, he felt like
franchement, au niveau de l'histoire, je me souviens plus trop, mais...
with a fresh impetus.
Ouais, franchement, on a bien avancé, je vous dis.
That power might be enough to end this madness. He just needed a push to
Mais là où on a combattu, on pourra combattre dans les arènes des versus tout ça, les niveaux sont dispo. Qui c'était? Il veut quoi? C'était l'autre, ça? C'était le vieillard là. Ouais.
You want an audience with the divine to receive their power. I cannot let you cross this bridge. The gods must not interfere in mortal affairs any further. Haven't you learned any lessons from the mistakes of your elders and their terrible...
Pique les yeux, hein, parce que putain, il est tout en blanc là, ça fait mal aux yeux.
Only a god can help me fight on equal grounds against Tengu and Kitsune.
Une revanche contre lui?
Supreme being into the situation will only make things worse. It is a noble goal. You do not realize what you are doing. I am the guardian of the Garden of the Gods, and this heavy responsibility falls upon me. I failed to stop the grandparents, and because of that failure, they are still struggling in an endless war.
Allez, c'est bon, mec. Abuse. Arrête. Ah, là, t'es moins fort que tout à l'heure. Hein. Parce que... C'est moi ou il a mis la neige là? Espèce de tricheur. Ok, bon, j'ai rien dit. Ah, vas-y, gros. Allez. Jin. Tempête de neige. Bah ouais, non, là, il est bien moins fort que tout à l'heure. Hein. Non, là, il est trop facile, là. Ah ouais, ok. Là, ça va. Non, oh là là là, j'ai plus rien. Récupère, récupère, récupère. J'ai voulu dash, mais je sais pas si... Eh ouais, faut recommencer. Ouais, normal. Non, non, mais je... Voilà. S'il vous plaît. Parce que... Du coup, il n'y a plus la cinématique, hein. Ouais, c'est ça. Ouais, putain. En fait, faut simplement que je la joue safe. Faut juste... avoir la bonne range et puis c'est bon. Voilà. C'est pas compliqué, là. Voilà. T'as la bonne range, bah, il se protège pas. Voilà. Là, parce qu'on peut faire les coups en arrière aussi, comme ça. C'était facile.
I cannot believe this. All I can do now is pray that things do not get worse.
I promise to settle everything.
I recognize here the arrogance of your grandfather. But very well, I can admit defeat. Cross the bridge before I change my mind.
On va essayer d'y aller vite fait, si c'est possible. Quoique... Vous savez quoi? C'est mieux, non, on va s'arrêter là parce que j'ai peur qu'il y ait une cinématique d'un quart d'heure et que la vidéo elle fasse 40 minutes parce que ça va faire beaucoup. Bah là vous voyez à peu près le jeu, donc voilà, on meurt en un coup. Franchement ça peut être vraiment sympa quand on commence à avoir du Nioh. J'espère en tout cas que ce let's play vous plaît. Là je vous dis on doit être pas bien loin, je pense, aux environs de la moitié du jeu déjà, de l'histoire. Donc ça va aller relativement vite. Donc j'espère que ça vous a plu et on se retrouve à la prochaine vidéo. Allez, tchuss.